How to add signature in Google Docs. So let's start with the video. I'm going to show you the two way that you can use and you can add your signature on Google Docs page. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay, so here we are. This is my Google Docs page and I have blank page here. Okay, so the process is, first we need to go in the that drawing option. Under the insert, you need to go in drawing option, go to the new, and here you can see the option. Go to this line option. You need to click on this down arrow, little down arrow, and click on Scribble. Okay, so from here you have to just click your mouse, your mouse button, click and hold it. Sorry, I need to scribble and hold it, and you can write your signature like this and just save it. Now this is your signature. Now just click on this option behind the text and you can drag anywhere you want. Okay, so this is the first option you can use. Okay, I hope you understood. Let me show you the another option. Go to the insert, go to the drawing. Okay, and now what you need to do, just go to the image, and you need your signature image file in your device, so you can upload from here. Just select that signature file. It will be uploaded in your drawing. Okay, you can crop like this. Okay, you can crop like this. You need to just select the image, go to the crop, down arrow, go to the shape, and you can take this shape or any other shapes, and now you can crop that. Okay, you need to drag this black one. Okay, don't drag this blue one, just drag this black one and you can crop it. Okay, if you want to minimize and maximize the image size, you can drag this blue dot, but if you want to crop, just hit the crop and hit that black one and crop it, and just go to the save and close. Then it will be okay, image will be inserted like this. Now you need to just hit this option behind the text and you can drag anywhere you want. Okay, so that is how we can insert the signature in Google Docs. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.